Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonесoup.com and today I've got another healthy 5-ingredient recipe for you. Great, so I've just got 2 onions that turn that down, that I've softened in a good glug of olive oil. I've just sliced them and just had them covered. They're a little bit more brown than they should be. Should have stirred them a little bit more often, but they're lovely and soft. So we're going to keep going with the soup. So I'm going to get my spinach in. So this is already defrosted. This makes it easier, but if you're short on time, you can always defrost it in the pan. Just get it in. So it's 2 packets of frozen spinach. Such a good ingredient to have in your freezer. And then I want 2 cups of chicken stock or veg stock. So this is about 2 cups of stock. And I just freeze in jars like that, but commercial stock's fine. There we go. And then I'm just going to bring that to a simmer. And then we're going to get in a little bit more. I put some salt in with the onions, but I'll put a little bit more salt in. If you like, you can puree the soup, but because my spinach is so finely pureed anyway, I'm not going to bother and just leave some chunky onions. So I'm just going to bring it up to simmer, taste season, and then serve it with some crumbled feta on top, and a nice generous amount of crumbled feta and some roasted walnuts. So if you enjoyed this recipe, really encourage you to come on over and visit my blog. It's thestonесoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, you get a free ebook filled with video recipes just like this one. Hope to see you soon.